You're about to see a demonstration of Microsoft WVD and Liquidware FlexApp, how you can streamline base image management with dynamically attached applications. Liquidware's FlexApp enables organizations to deploy applications quickly to Microsoft WVD from flexible Azure-based VHDs. You can persist applications even in non-persistent WVD environments. The technology supports virtually any Windows application, including MSI, EXEs, MSIX, and Microsoft AppV. Applications can be attached to WVD workstations at boot time, login time, by context-aware setting, or with innovative click-to-layer technology, which gives you applications that are launched on demand. Let's get straight to the demonstration. Here we have a WVD environment. The user is going to log on to Multi-Session Windows 10, otherwise known as EVD. For most intents and purposes, this environment is managed on a non-persistent basis. This enables the FSLogix technology that you see here, and technologies such as Liquidware Profile Unity that add functionality to FSLogix to bring back significant persistency to an environment in WVD. Microsoft Office 365 is the only set of applications that are actually installed on top of this base image because it is leveraged by every user within the WVD environment. This type of application methodology leaves base image management streamlined to OS patches and applications that are used by all users. Let's log off of this desktop and we'll open up the Liquidware FlexApp Management Console so you'll start to see how applications can be dynamically attached and layered to this environment. Within the Management Console, we have two configurations. One, where applications will be applied at boot time, and a second configuration which has applications that will be assigned on a per user basis and also by click-to-layer, which will launch an application on demand. Here you'll see where Azure Storage Explorer will be applied to an individual user, while Microsoft Edge Chromium will be applied as a click-to-layer and will be launched on demand when the user clicks on that specific application. So with these configurations, we'll have many applications that will be attached at boot time. We'll have an additional application that will be attached on a per user basis. Finally, we'll have an application attached using click-to-layer, which will launch an application on demand when the user clicks on the icon. This flexibility to enable applications to launch at different times cover many use cases for Microsoft WVD environments. FlexApp attached applications that are launched at login time or based on click-to-layer do not necessitate that a machine or server be rebooted. In this case, however, we're going to bring in dozens of applications at boot time, so we'll reboot our Multi-Session 10 server. Now let's have the user log back in to the Windows WVD environment. When the user logs in, you'll see a demonstration of how applications brought in at boot time are instantly made available. Applications that are assigned at login time will populate the desktop immediately. And lastly, you'll see a click-to-layer application in action. When the user clicks on that icon, that application will be mounted and readily available. Liquidware FlexApp is part of Liquidware Profile Unity, which is running the configurations for us now. As this desktop loads, you'll notice that over a dozen applications brought in at boot time are instantly made available. This user has the Microsoft Azure Storage app allocated to them on a per user basis. And also, the Microsoft Edge Chromium icon is present. This icon is actually an XML file that will be switched out for the application when the user clicks on this click-to-layer application. Other notable applications that have been layered to this environment include Cisco's WebEx application, which enjoys tight integration with Microsoft Outlook, which you'll remember is still installed in this base image. Applications dynamically attached with FlexApp work and react instantaneously, as you see with Notepad++ here. Now let's launch the click-to-layer application Microsoft Edge Chromium. When the user clicks on this icon, you'll notice that down in the right-hand corner, the application has now been attached and will launch as if it is natively installed in this environment. Now every other user that launches Edge Chromium will enjoy instantaneous response. Now let's go back to the Cisco WebEx application that was also brought in by FlexApp application layering. As we launch the application, you'll note that it reacts as if it is natively installed in this environment. We'll enter our credentials, and then we'll go over to Microsoft Outlook Office 365, and we'll launch it, and you'll see the integration of this application has indeed been seamless for this user. Cisco WebEx reacts and works as if it is natively installed in this environment. You'll see a Meet Now button, and that we can open up a calendar invite. And we can use this plugin because it looks like it's natively installed to the operating system or to any other application that relies on this application to function. Delivering applications with FlexApp based on boot time, on user at login, or using click to layer streamlines base image management in any Windows WVD environment using any operating system, including Windows 10 Multi-Session EVD, Server 2016, or Server 2019. Furthermore, applications that have been packaged and delivered with FlexApp work across any Windows workspace, ensuring seamless coexistence or migration to or from Citrix, VMware, Amazon workspaces, or any way you deliver Windows. For more information, visit liquidware.com.